Honda has provided a first look at its innovative approach to manufacture electric vehicles by late 2025 at the Honda EV Hub in Ohio, detailing the company's flexible approach that uniquely positions Honda to build internal combustion engine, hybrid electric, and battery electric vehicles on the same production lines. In retooling the Marysville Auto Plant, East Liberty Auto Plant, and Anna Engine Plant, an investment that will reach over $1 billion, Honda has reimagined manufacturing to create a work environment that is more human-friendly and environmentally responsible while achieving the highest levels of quality, efficiency, and value for customers. The Honda EV Hub provides Honda with the flexibility to produce internal combustion engine, hybrid electric, and electric vehicle models on the same production lines, so we can quickly respond to shifting customer needs and market conditions, said Bob Schwyn, Senior Vice President, Honda Development and Manufacturing of America, LLC. Beyond adding the capability to produce electric vehicles, we completely reimagined our approach to manufacturing, transforming the Honda production environment with more human-friendly processes and sustainable manufacturing practices. The Honda EV Hub will begin electric vehicle production in late 2025 with the all-new Acura RSX electric vehicle, followed by Honda electric vehicle models based on the Honda Zero SUV and Honda Zero Saloon prototypes the company debuted on January 7 at CES 2025 in Las Vegas.